Good morning, guys. It is Saturday.
What date?
It's March.
Late March. Saturday, late March. Maybe the last Saturday?
Yeah, of 25. So we're in Dominica. We've been here all week. Dominica, Dominica. I don't know if they say it different ways. We've been here all week, and we're going to do some touring today. We've rented a car with Marley, and we're going to go check out some waterfalls and a gorge and all kinds of stuff. Pretty stuff inland. So we'll take you along for the ride. I expect it's going to be a full day. This is the P.A.Y.S Pavilion, which is where all the boat boys kind of manage everything that's going on. Pretty hopping around here this morning. There's a restaurant up there that we can smell is serving breakfast. And then this is like their little, I don't know, auditorium type, thing where they do shows and events and bands and dances and stuff like that. But yeah, a lot going on here. A lot of people heading out for tours, and then there's supposedly a beach day going on today, which means games and stuff. Julie is somewhere getting our car organized, but I don't know where. And then Chris ran back to the boat for something. So anyhow, should be a fun day. Hopefully there'll be lots of cool stuff to see. We'll see what we see. We're here.
We made it. I'm here now we have to
AJ's
plow
here
our
too.
way up the hill here.
Yeah, now we gotta climb the mountain.
I feel naked.
That's why I put my shorts back on. I was like, I feel too naked. I brought dry shorts, so I'm like, I'm just gonna wear these in the water.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Looks like you're wearing a 90.
All right, well now we're standing just waiting because Chris forgot his case. I'm just kidding.
You can't go anywhere with Mark.
It's so hard to organize all this stuff,
I know. It's only 4 people.
I
And we don't know what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing. That is the advantage of the tour, is that somebody just tells you what to do. You don't have to figure it out.
Yeah,
But you pay for that.
right.
We good.
We're all
And you're on
good.
someone else's time schedule.
Titou Gorge. That's where we're going.
Ooh, that looks cool.
It does.
Can't go to the mud thing. It's like
Come on, sun, just come on out.
Yeah, it would be nice if it was hot.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'd be complaining if it was hot, but it would be much nicer if it was hot. Easier to get in the water.
Right.
You guys looking for a life jacket?
Restaurant? No, we're good.
Well, the jacket only 10 Caribbean. Very beautiful.
Yeah. Says life jackets must be worn.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, you guys ready?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, so life jacket is mandatory.
Oh,
So is that what you're going up?
that's what we're going up. Freezing our asses off.
Whose stupid idea was this?
Just so you know.
Who decided this was a good idea?
Julie's idea.
I'm gonna remind. Whose idea was this?
I think we picked the coldest winter day.
Right? Are you sure this is where we start?
Yeah, our dude's right here.
Okay, seems so backwards.
We go that way.
I'm on the wrong side of the road. Yeah, because it just feels like everybody's getting off here. Did you just say he's blue? Oh, it's gonna be cold as crap. What'd Chris say?
It must be freezing. How cold is it? It's fresh, but a few minutes and let's go.
Okay. I hope that bag is going to do okay. AJ,
What?
try to keep it out of the water if you can.
Right in the water.
Whoa! Ooh.
All the time she's been hot.
Look how narrow that is.
It's so cold. It's so friggin' freezing cold.
So much fun.
This sucks.
We're having so much fun.
Oh my god, my boobs. It's too cold. my tits are cold.
Okay.
So friggin' cold.
I should have brought my flippers. I
Yeah,
brought my swim.
that would have been helpful.
This is so
There
refreshing.
should be like
on
a
hot
rope
day.
line that you can pull. Yeah, if it was
it's not
steamy hot, it would be great. Woo! Yeah, you need a rope line to pull yourself through. I am glad I have a life jacket because I wouldn't be able to film and move myself through the water.
Me and Beth are trying to document this.
Document.
Like one arm. This is awesome though.
It is awesome.
There's a rope you can grab on the way back.
Okay.
Let me see if it's.
Yeah, I'm surprised they don't have a rope that runs down the middle that you can kind of just pull yourself along with.
It's gorgeous in here.
It is beautiful.
It is
Stunning.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm good now.
I'm warming up.
Yeah.
Or I'm freezing.
That's what happens when you go to
I was gonna say, I'm either warming up or I'm freezing.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Get the fauna, look how beautiful it is.
It really is beautiful.
We got an Olympic swimmer here. A guide, it would have been $40. Without a guide, it was $12 for all of us.
Worth it.
$12?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's 10 E. It was 10 EC.
Yeah, it was only 10 EC.
Yeah.
I don't need a guide for one way in, one way out.
Yeah.
No.
But you know what? That's their
Yeah, that's their job.
Trying to make money. I get it.
That's their job. I mean, you know, they got to utilize the resources they have.
Yes, yeah, and I can appreciate that.
Yep.
I'm almost even like willing to give the kids
I
a
will.
tip.
Yes, we should tip him, even though.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah. It's really pretty up
I
there.
like it. He's not aggressive. He was helpful.
No, he was, and he respected that we wanted to do it ourselves and gave us the life vest just so he could make sure nobody else jumped on us.
Is that a current? sexy pose. Do the sexy pose. There you go. Hold on fast. I gotta hide my underwear in my ass.
Alright, we need a selfie with the waterfall.
Alright.
Yeah. It's pretty violent. Don't get under it. You want it? That was so cool. Serious current coming through here. I mean, like the pressure on my calf is crazy trying to walk through here. Yeah. All right, I'm just going in. So beautiful. Yeah. This is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. That when you look up, it's just really pretty. I just peed. Just kidding.
Yeah, there it is.
It's raining. Like real rain, hard rain, water collecting rain. So cool. It's warm water. Warmer.
Yeah. So, all right. As soon as they're done, we're
So
gonna
is this is fresh water?
stand in the warm water.
Yeah, so there's a pipe over here.
I do see some
It has
coloration
normal.
on the for the winter.
Ooh! It's really coming down out here. Very rainy. Julie found the dry spot in the water. She's like, it's not raining here.
Come on, look at out
She said, it's not raining. Why would I come out?
there. Stop raining.
It will soon. Ooh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like, yeah.
It's not hot. It's just a little.
Oh,
warm.
it's
Compared to what you're
compared to
swimming
what
in?
you're in, it's hot. Yeah, this is good stuff.
All right, give me some.
Oh, I gotta share.
Call me a liar.
It's really warm.
Liar. Go away. Get out of there.
Yeah, so there's I think you can see it, a pipe coming out with warm water. And it's really nice.
This one's got the water.
water's cold. This water's warm. That water's warm.
His water's warm.
That water's cold.
Wow, that was so cool. Yeah, it was really cool. It was very cold and I wasn't loving that at the moment, but it was definitely worth it.
The sun's out.
Yeah, sun's out. If the sun would stay out, that would be great.
It's like a fern palm tree.
Yeah, that's wild. It's pretty.
I feel like I'm in the fucking Dr. Seuss book sometimes here. You know, with all the funny plants and shit.
Yeah.
That's where you, I mean,
I know. Everything's wild and big.
You know?
Oversized and extreme.
But just think, if you go back and you look at the different plants and stuff, you have all these wild looking plants. And you see them here. Like, oh.
Isn't that pretty? That combination of that floral leaves and flowers. Beautiful.
Jump off the edge.
Okay, next adventure. We're here at Trafalgar Falls. That's where we are. So, gonna make our way down the trail to the falls.
And I was here last season. Beth
Yeah,
wasn't, so
AJ
she gets to see cool stuff too.
Yeah, AJ did this last year, but you will not see duplicate video because I'm pretty sure it was on the camera that's at the bottom of Antigua. So, yeah, I've never seen any of that footage.
It's on. I showed you pictures.
Maybe you did take a few
I took
pictures.
some on my phone, so I know that.
Oh yeah, because I've actually already posted that video. That's when AJ was in Dominica and they did a little bit of touring around with a friend of Felina's and they were on the crazy dock, but we didn't have great footage of this stuff. It's a very nice path. Oh my gosh. I love stairs. I love a climb.
Favorite thing to do is to go to the gym.
I was just saying, oh my God, as I came around that corner. Beth doesn't mind stairs. It's Beth's lungs that don't like stairs. So I can't breathe. It is really pretty. Oh, we're almost there, it sounds like. I think I see water flowing. Ooh, how pretty. This is really pretty, isn't it?
Oh, incredible.
You going across?
You can try.
Yeah.
that fall.
I mean, like, the water itself is pretty warm, like compared to like what we just did.
Yeah.
Just kind of balance.
Yeah, I'm staying down so I can't fall down. Oh, look at that.
I know, as I said, when you get over here, we can get a good picture. Smile.
Better on the private lagoon.
Oh, how cool. Very cool. It's like one of those 360 things. One of those 360 on the body. Pretty cool. Here, it's right cool. You can see the waterfall between us. Very cool. Okay, those of them? There you go. A lot of work for the gram.
Yeah,
For the tube.
it's worth it.
A lot of work for the tube.
We made it without hurting anything.
Where are we at? What's the name of this place?
We're at
Tiki?
Kwen Glow Show.
Kwen Glow Chucks. That sounds interesting. We're gonna glow.
they have the all-purpose rum in there.
Yeah. They have like 15 different, or maybe more rums that are like
All right,
made
let's
here.
Get our cool heinies.
Anyway, here we go.
Get rid of that shrinkage.
Yeah. He wishes. Hi.
live on the west side.
Oh, I know. Sorry, I'm stupid American.
Wow, this place is cool.
It is cool.
There's like multiple.
This is similar to what we went to in Costa Rica, but like this. Like you just wandered these trails and there were all these different pools with different temperature water. It was really cool.
All right. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a combo. No diving and no using soap in the pool.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Sun feels good. How is it? Is it hot? Ooh, good. That's what I want. It'll be too hot for you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You can't get it too hot for me. Down that way?
It looks like we could jump.
Okay. There's one down there that's 10 degrees cooler. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is great. You do kind of have to ease yourself in,
Yeah.
though.
A little bit at a time.
Oh my God. You know how long it's been since I had a hot bath? This is heaven. Oh, this is great. Whew. This is so good.
Actually, when I was out last time.
Oh.
I was here all the time. But we didn't venture past this one, so.
Oh, it feels so good. You will never get me out of here. Y'all can just come back and get me later today.
I think you can jump in the cool water over here.
Nice, actually. Nice, actually.
Yeah, but it cools you down a little.
We went to Canada up in Banff this last summer, and they had like the same thing. They had a nice cool bath. Jump in that and get back in the hot water.
Yeah, it's fun.
I got so much fun.
Oh yeah. There's
Little more. Little more.
seats all the way around.
Yeah. It is.
This is good.
It's even hotter right under there.
Oh, that's hotter?
That's where it's fed from.
And it doesn't smell.
Yeah, it really doesn't.
You loving it?
I love a hot water pool. Oh, this is so good.
Get a little further away from that hot.
Oh, all those sore muscles just melt away.
All that cold water from the gorge thing we did earlier.
That's what we did.
Yeah.
Because the guy said, don't do the gorge after. You gotta do the gorge before. Go into the source.
It's like my bathtub water. I like it till it's scalds me.
Melt the skin off you.
So relaxing.
And the grounds are beautiful.
I mean, it is.
Oh, yeah.
It's luscious.
Awesome.
You go check out some of the other ones.
Has a little bit of mud. See him painting his face. No.
We're going to the mud pool.
We'll be right
Julie wants to check it out.
back. Let's see.
Yeah. I mean, he's putting mud on his face, so there's a little bit. But not a lot.
That little packet there, they sell it up there.
Oh, I gotcha. Okay.
Is it hot or cold?
Yeah. Okay. Not as hot as the springs.
It's also kind of rocky, so
Keep your shoes.
yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah, so it's kind of, it's the mud pool in which you bring your own mud.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I guess, yeah.
Well, when you get in there, there's no mud in the mud.
It's a BYOM. So they sell you a little package of mud.
Woo! This is aggressive.
All right, this is the cooler hot springs. Oh, there's like literally a tub. That is hysterical. And is that hot or cold? Is it? That is so funny. And that's cold, I think. Sulfury. More concentrated, maybe. Standing in the cold water. Trying to bring my temperature down a little bit because I'm overheating. Julie's hanging out literally in the hot tub. And then as you can see, right over there is the other hot spring. So I'm gonna go back that way. I won't? It's not hot enough? I think I might be okay with that right now. Oh, yeah. It's reasonable. This is reasonable. Is this hotter than the tub? Same tub, yeah. This is a lot less. Which might be okay right now, because I was getting pretty I know, because I don't like cold. Don't like cold.
Nobody likes the hot water. But it makes you like the hot water more.
Maybe. I do like the little canopy here. Yeah. I really like that. Very pretty. I do feel very red-faced and everything.
A little dizzy.
Yeah. Okay. We're leaving the hot spot.
That was a
Hot
hit.
Springs. I think we've been here probably over an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really good. Really hot. I think we're all a little wiped out right now, actually. But it was really nice. So, go get something cold to drink. Start our trek back north. I think we might stop at one more waterfall and call it a day.
Yeah, and some foods.
Yeah. Okay, so we stopped for pizza at this little Italian place. AJ was here last year. Oh, this is cutie. This is the cutest. Is that like a little... Is that... Oh, they're cottages. Yeah. Oh, are these the cottages that he said they were staying at?
Who's that?
What's the name of this place?
Cocoa Cottage?
Yeah.
The people we met at the pool are staying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is where they're staying.
Are we blocked by how they get in?
I don't know. Not worried about it.
Maybe they don't go in there last week. Yeah.
These are precious.
And they got a dog.
Yeah. This is so cute. Hello.
6.
One tree house and 6 cottages. Yeah, that's awesome. Really cool.
Cookie, she doesn't put
Right.
sugar in her sauce.
So we've ordered some pizzas. Oh, thank you so much.
Yay. Italian.
Thank you.